Before the screen assembly replacement, we need to check out the True Tone display function and whether it still works as usual or not. Long press to turn it off. Use a pentagon screwdriver to unscrew the screws at the bottom of the phone. Pay attention to putting the screws aside well. Heat the heating pad to the temperature of 80-90 degrees Celsius. Place the screen face down on the pad for about 2 to 3 minutes. After heating, we use a clamp fixture to separate the screen. Place the phone down on the fixture, and rotate the screw to clamp the screen. After clamping the screen with the suction cup, rotate another screw to separate the screen. Drop a little alcohol around the frame. It will release the stickiness temporarily in this way. Use a pry piece to jam the phone screen. Then twist the screw and take down the suction cup. Rotate the screw and take down the phone. Gradually remove the screen around the edge of the display. Slowly separate the screen from the case. Pay attention to the position of the cable to avoid damage. Lift the screen. The angle should not be over 90 degrees to prevent breaking the flex cable. Use a tri-wing screwdriver and a convex cross screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of the cable connector, and take off the shielding plate. Use a spudger slightly extricate the battery and the connector between the screen and motherboard. Detach the earpiece speaker flex cable. Remove the display assembly. Here's the REPART screen assembly, a new replacement. Read the old screen data with a programmer which transfers all of the serial numbers and data from the old display over to the new one. Fasten the touch connector on the corresponding connector of the programmer. Start reading. Reading part is done. Connect the new screen assembly on the programmer. Start and complete the writing. Click Read to see if writing works or not. Place the old screen assembly on the heating pad. Use a tri-wing screwdriver and a convex cross screwdriver to unscrew the screws of earpiece cable, and take out the earpiece. Tear off the protector of new screen assembly. Reassemble the earpiece cable on the new screen assembly. Tighten the screws. Connect the display cable and touch cable. Connect the earpiece cable and battery. Long press to turn it on. True Tone testing, it's working. Long press to turn it off. Remove the remaining waterproof adhesive on the frame. Tear off the waterproof adhesive. Make it adhere to the phone body. Press lightly with spudger to make it adhesive. Tear off the film. Reassemble the display cable and touch cable. Reassemble the earpiece assembly, and connect the battery. Install the shielding cover, and tighten the screws. Take off the waterproof film around the frame. Buckle the phone screen, and tighten the screws at the bottom. Turn it on. Thank you for your watching.